It's definitely that time of year where temperatures are changing. Some days you got snow, some days you don't. But the temperatures are dropping rapidly. As the temperatures are dropping, it's recommended that you drip your faucet. As nice as this is, not what I'm talking about. This is the type of dripping we're looking for. The reason why it's so important to drip your faucets when temperatures plummet down to the teens or even close to zero is that inside the pipe, what happens is if we open up our faucet and allow just a little bit of drip, we're relieving pressure. Now the problem is if we had a pipe that would freeze and we had no way for pressure to leave, then unfortunately the pipe could bust. Now remember, stay warm and stay safe.